Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to enable testnet mode on Phantom Wallet. So in order to do it, you first need to launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application, and then you need to tap on your profile icon or your account in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you need to select this gear icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, and then you will be landed in the settings of your Phantom Wallet. Now over here, you just have to simply scroll down a bit and select the third last option of developer settings. Now in your developer settings, you will be able to see the testnet mode, and by default this mode will be turned off. So since we want to enable it, you need to tap on the toggle button right next to the test mode, and now the testnet mode is enabled and it will show you the Solana DevNet as well as Ethereum Sepolia. So over here, you have successfully enabled the testnet mode on Phantom Wallet, and now you can use this mode in your Phantom Wallet. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.